Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport all-wheel drive, stock number Z9049A. 84,000 miles on this one owner. Frost white pearl in color. Santa Fe is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, leather interior. Backup camera, hitch and wiring, lots of cargo space in the rear, split seats fold down easily with a pull of a handle, and very clean as you can see. This Sport has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start, large, easy to read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices, automatic transmission with manual shift capability along with heated front seats, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, the Santa Fe has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 264 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.